Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Agnes from Despicable Me. So to create her in Dress to Impress, I used some accessory adjustments too, but don't worry, I did this without VIP. And for the face, I did use custom makeup, but obviously you can use the free one. So let me just remove everything and hopefully I remember what I'm wearing. So for the hair, I did these bangs here. This one in all black. And then I also used this updo hair in black. And then I did the new one as well here in black. But I did some accessory adjustments. No bangs. And I just kind of put it more to the top and at the back. And I scaled it down to like the bun, I guess. Like that a little bit. I think I did make it a little bit smaller than that. Like that. And then for like the headband, I used this in this red. And I did use some accessory adjustments too to make it smaller. Like that. I guess I'm just going to make a few more adjustments to this one. Okay, I think I did that. And then for the outfit, I used this one and I made it sort of like a light blue-ish. Like this color, I think. I don't remember what color I used. Then I used the shirt and then I did this pattern. There are no stripe patterns, so this is the best that I can do. Then for the shoes, I just used this in all white. You can add some yellow to it. Maybe do that instead. So there is some yellow to the white, like that maybe. And then what else did I add? Oh, I forgot to add more bangs to this. So I did use the Queen of Hearts one, only bangs, and I did the third toggle here and I colored that black. And then lastly, I used this teddy bear in this brown. And then I colored the eyes this like kind of cream color. And then the nose black because it's what the minion bear has. It's not the unicorn she has. I don't know if I can make a unicorn plushie yet. But that is how you can create Agnes from Despicable Me on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.